Hi, I'm Oskar van Deventer and this is one-to-one gearing. Yet another piece of kinetic art where we have two gears that rotate. So you may know that these classic gears where two gears interact with each other and one of them accelerates, the other decelerates, and they go at quite different speeds. So whereas this is really beautiful, it has no use other than being kinetic art. Well, I'm not really sure about this one, but anyway, it has the special property that even though the teeth are going from small all the way to large, the gearing is exactly one-to-one. We have involute gears, and as you know, involutes make sure that the gearing is smooth. And obviously I also made, based on the same concept, 1-to-2 gearing, and it's equally smooth. Well, it's a bit noisy as you can hear, but again, even though the teeth go from small to large, the motion is uniform and all the gears turn at a constant speed. So yeah, you can guess my question. This is yet again a nice piece of kinetic art, and it has an exact one-to-one gearing, but does it have any useful applications? Thank you for watching.